So I have to be honest, it's a smaller party box, and I do have to say that the deep bass isn't really here, but that also has to do, of course, with the size. I do think that the sound quality isn't very bad. Like, it does have very decent highs, so not too much, but also not too low. So it definitely has some good clearness. That also has to do with the tweeters being very much out of each other. And here is the bass speaker. The microphone, I've tried it out, I can't sing, but it works, but there is some delay with it. And I'm kind of curious how much delay it will be even on more distance than I have tried out. I will definitely compare it with the Xiaomi Bomber, and then we will see maybe in the future what to do more. I do have to say I did try the bass boost a little short time, but the overall sound testing was without it. Because I do have to say that the bass boost on this party box doesn't really change a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one.